of items. There are also some types of crossbows over here and some slingshots from the old ancient times. So if you bring your children to Craft Mela, make sure them to buy one of these toys. You can also see there are some items for babies such as this jingler. There are also some dholaks like this and also some walkers for babies, which can be very fascinating. So here we can see some decor items like these evil eyes and these bells, and there are also some bird-shaped whistles over here that create bird sounds. As you can see, there's some of terracotta and stone and also of clay. So let me try how this bird whistle sounds when I try to blow it. Yes, and precautions. Make sure you put water in it before you try, because if you don't put water, it sounds just like a normal whistle. But when you put water, this is a sound effect that happens. I'm sure you guys heard that sound. And let's move on to here where you can see some wall decor such as these Ganpatiji, some birds, and there are also some other types of decor such as bird nest for home. As winter is coming and birds also need shelter, since they don't have a heater at home, you can put up these decor nests at your home so that birds can come and stay. And also you can have an experience of a variety of birds as you get to see them daily. Now let's move on to something else. Come on. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of cooking items made of clay over here, such as these cups. There are some small ones and some big ones. भैया ये बड़े वाले का कितना रेट है? 350. अच्छा. और ये छोटे वाले का 250. अच्छा. And there are also some even more bigger cups which can be used for drinking milk, I suppose. भैया ये कितने का है? 150. अच्छा. And there are also some storage pots over here and some bottles and some cooking items such as cooking pots and some woks. So what happens due to all of these cooking items made of clay, it helps us to keep a longer lifestyle and helps us to prevent many diseases and health problems such as gas, indigestion, etc. तो भैया ये कढ़ाई का कितना रेट है? और इसका ये 550 और 250 150. अच्छा 250. So now let's move on to the further stalls and see what else we can explore over here. Come on. Sorry, I did not notice you guys. But as you guys can see, there's such a vintage camera collection and also some curated collection of telephones. Now we're going to see some more types of World War II things. Yes, this is a call from the past exhibition by Mr. Vinay Sharma. Over here we can see some old photos and some old instruments of post-World War II. Let's keep exploring. Guys, over here